Hey there, Cece Chang here, and I just wanted to hop on really quick today and say thank you. Thank you so much for your love and support over the last 14 days. So, you may know that over the last 14 days, I have been in sort of a hands-on marketing boot camp. Like that, I think that's the best way to describe it. Sort of like a marketing boot camp, 14 days of hardcore marketing training that's really designed to help me better serve you. And sadly, it's really sad. Today is actually the last day of this round of the 14-day challenge. And it's funny, this morning to have, logged into the group this morning and had Ray Higdon announce that I was an honorable mention in the final contest this morning was sort of like this really great way to end this particular 14-day journey, right? So I am totally humbled and honored to learn that I beat out over 600 people who'd also entered in this contest. And it's interesting because you don't know this, but I actually was sort of debating whether or not I still wanted to continue to show up this way on Facebook. So in my business, I typically market on another platform. I use LinkedIn, and I have really focused so much of my time and attention there that I was not sure whether it made sense for me to continue to show up for you this way and continue to provide content here because I just wasn't sure how I felt about that. So it was really a sort of reaffirming thing that happened today to hear my name announced as honorable mention when I wasn't even sure I was going to do it here, right? It was this really surprising moment. So, and the only reason that I can really say that I was able to do this successfully this round, because I really was going back and forth in my head on how I felt about doing that. But it's really because of you. It's your support, it's your messages, it's your viewership. Those were the reasons I kept showing up every day over the last 14 days. I could have not, right? I could have said, I've done this challenge several times now. I've learned what I'm going to learn, which I don't believe anyways. I think hearing the content over and over and over again really makes a huge difference. But I could have talked myself out of it. But I didn't because of you. I could not have been named honorable mention if it weren't for you. And I want you to know that you're a huge part of that. And I'm so grateful for you. So thank you so much. I think it's kind of fitting that this is November and it's sort of Thanksgiving time. Jason and I are actually doing what we giving away fun prizes and things to our customers and the people who support us all month long. And then to be honored in this way has been powerful and humbling for me. So thank you again for going on this journey with me. I know 14 days of back-to-back lives can be overwhelming, but your support and your messages and you just take the time out of your busy day, and I know that you're busy, to watch my content and to watch these videos and share with me has been incredibly humbling and powerful. So thank you. Now, if you're wondering, okay, the 14 days are over, what does that mean for me? Well, we'll be transitioning back to my normal video schedule here on Facebook after today's win. It just makes sense for me to continue to show up, right? So I will be here Monday through Friday providing you with content to help you live a healthier, happier life, right? To help you reclaim your physical and financial health, which is what Jason and I are all about. Now, if there is a particular topic that you would like me to go deeper into, that you'd like to hear more information on, know that I'm an open book and I'm more than happy to dig deeper into topics that help you. So if you've been itching to learn more about something in particular, or you'd love to hear me talk about some aspect of life or business or health, then shoot me a message and let me know, and I will be sure to cover the topics that matter most to you during these videos on Monday through Friday. So shoot me a message if you've got something in particular you'd like to talk about. And again, thank you so much for showing up and for giving me your time and your energy and being here with me in this space. I so appreciate you. And I will chat with you tomorrow. Ciao.